Your first foreign client is the hardest to get, but once you do, everything changes. Your confidence rises, your pricing improves, and suddenly, global income becomes real. Here is the exact roadmap beginners should follow. Step 1. Learn one valuable skill, not 10. 1. Jack of all trades rarely gets hired. Step 2. Build a simple portfolio. You don't need years of experience. Create sample projects, redesign a website, write mock emails, edit practice videos. Show what you can do. Step 3. Stop hiding. Apply aggressively. Most people apply to 3 jobs and quit. Serious beginners apply to 10 to 20 roles daily. Rejection is normal. Silence is normal. Persistence is rare, and that is your advantage. Step 4. Use platforms that already have buyers. Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, Freelancer. Go where the money is flowing. Step 5. Price smart. Don't start too high. Your first goal is proof, not profit. Once reviews come in, you can raise your rates confidently. And here is a powerful trick. Record a short introduction video. Clients trust people they can see. Do what others avoid, and you immediately stand out. Remember this: your first client is not just a paycheck. It is evidence that the world is willing to pay you. And once that belief clicks, your career expands beyond borders. Subscribe for more practical strategies that position you for global success.